Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare Tongkat Ali. We'll focus on the traditional and most effective method for extracting its beneficial compounds. This process involves a simple decoction, ensuring you get the most out of the root. You'll learn exactly what you need and the step-by-step process to create your own potent brew at home. Let's get started with the essentials. First, let's gather our essential items. You'll need approximately 10 to 15 grams of dried Tongkat Ali root. This amount is ideal for a potent brew. Next, select a non-reactive pot, like one made of stainless steel or glass, to prevent any unwanted chemical reactions. Finally, measure out 4 cups of clean, filtered water. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and effective preparation process. Now, let's begin the brewing. Place your 10 to 15 grams of Tongkat Ali root into the pot with the 4 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a low simmer and let it continue for at least 30 minutes. The goal is to simmer until the liquid volume has reduced by approximately 1/2, concentrating the beneficial compounds. After simmering, it's time to finish up. Carefully strain the hot liquid through a fine mesh sieve or a piece of cheesecloth into a clean container. Make sure to discard the used root material. Allow the concentrated decoction to cool completely before consumption. For optimal benefits, it is generally recommended to consume about 1/2 cup of this potent brew daily. Enjoy your freshly prepared Tongkat Ali.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.